All right, I'm curious if you guys can relate to this, because I just had an absolute disaster happen and there's like nothing you could do about it. Nothing. As you can see, it's a little bit windy here, fishing this nice little stream, getting ready, right? I had my bag open, tying on a fly, and let me show you this box right here. So these are one of the boxes that were in my bag. So I had a box just like this, absolutely plumb full of flies. I'm gonna zip this up, I don't want another disaster. Absolutely plumb full of flies. I mean, probably 100 flies in there are all dry flies. It's one of those magnetic boxes, and when my bag fell, some boxes fell out of my bag. That particular box popped open, and like a puff of dust, every single fly that I had in that box raced across the parking lot and vanished forever. I managed to find one of the flies. Every single one of all the rest are gone. So just like that, 300 bucks gone. So I used to like the magnetic boxes because if I would have dropped a box and they're all securely in the foam, that wouldn't have happened. So there's a word of warning, right? If you do the magnetic boxes, if that happens to you, it's a windy day, it's a freak accident, right? If it wasn't for the wind, it'd just been a pain in the butt. I had to pick them all up on the parking lot, no big deal. But it was windy, a gust of wind came right when it fell, and whoosh, every single fly was gone. $300 vanished. I'm curious, has that ever happened to you? Can you relate? Because I need to get a fish, right? I need to catch a fish so that I can feel better about the situation, because I still got that punch in the gut feeling. Punch in the gut. Anyway, so it doesn't always go smoothly, and this time it certainly didn't. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in and for listening. I appreciate it. Till the next time, fish on.